Alright, I gotta make this quick. Remember when I said that they were gonna save this crossing? Well, I was wrong. Got new signals going up here. Brand new RJ Corman INRD cantilever setup. What is that cantilever? I think that's... I don't know what that logo is. I'll get up close to it whenever this is finished and there's not workers here. But there's the new cantilever for the other side over there. Obviously this is for the road widening. We got a new relay case. There's the old one. Old signal's still up, and the other old signal's still up. It's probably the last time you'll see this happening. Western Colonies 12 by 24 inch lights and an NEG electronic bell. Western Colonies gate mech. And yeah, I'm not getting any closer because I'm getting looked at, but there's the new lights. Western Colonies or Leotech LEDs, I don't know, I can't tell the difference. And yeah, there goes one of the childhood crossings. It wouldn't be getting replaced if the road wasn't getting widened, but it is. So that's why this replacement's happening. So yeah, that's just an update to Lafayette Avenue in Terre, Haute, Indiana. They're wiring up. And also the overhead lights. Can't really see it, but there's the overhead lights are in place. Although they're turned to the side for now. So yeah, that's an update to Lafayette Avenue and Terre Haute on the INRD Chicago sub. Thanks for watching, over and out.